Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can find sent friend requests on your Facebook account. So if you just want to go ahead and check out the friend requests that you have sent, this is the video for you. So feel free to watch the video to the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on Facebook right over here. And once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the top right triple lines icon. And now simply go ahead and scroll down until you see settings and privacy and tap on it, and go ahead and tap on settings. Once you've done that, you want to scroll all the way down until you see activity log right over here. And now you want to scroll all the way down until you see connections and tap on that. And now, as you can see, there is all the data that you want to go ahead and see. You can see added friends, you can see remove friends, you can see received friend requests, you can also see sent friend requests on the bottom. As you can see, just tap on it and it will show you all the friend requests that you sent with its date. So it is as simple as that. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.